If you own a chainsaw, sooner or later, probably sooner than later, you're going to have to get your chainsaw blade sharpened, sharpen it yourself, or buy a new one. Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen it yourself the easy way, right here on the Everyday Man. This is made by Stihl. It's an all-in-one chainsaw blade sharpener. So before we go any further, here's the model number that you would order. This is why I like it. It comes with 3 files included. There's a round file up on the top here that sticks out a little bit. There's a flat file in the middle, and then underneath there's a third round file. So here's why it's important to use that 3-file system. There are depth gauges or rakers that look like shark's teeth in front of every cutting tooth. They control the cutting depth of the saw. The rakers need to be filed to the correct height relative to the height of the cutting teeth. You can see that the cutting teeth are not parallel to the chain. They're tapered so that the more you sharpen them, the shorter they get. If you don't file down the rakers when you sharpen the cutting teeth, the saw won't cut as well, and you'll notice that you're getting more sawdust than wood chips when cutting. If you use a round file to sharpen the teeth, you're not filing down the height of the rakers. With this sharpener, it's filing both the cutting tooth and the raker at the same time, and the depth is set automatically. To get ready to sharpen, secure your saw so it doesn't move around. I just clamp down the back of the saw and set the front of the saw bar into the corner of a plastic tailgate. So you can see that each tooth is opposite direction, right? This one is cutting this way. This one this way, this one this way. You're going to sharpen every other tooth in one direction, and then you're going to change the sharpener. Try and be as straight as you can. Try not to do this. As straight as you can. It's jittering a little bit, but you could hold it with your other hand. Now it lost the Sharpie on top of it. It rubbed it off, so let me just put that back on so I know where we're at. All right. So now we just move to the next one. Drop it in. Drop it into the next one. Okay, so then you unlock it right here and grab hold of the last one you did, which was this one here. Grab hold of it. You can just pinch it and move them this way up to there. Lock it back down so the blade won't move, and do it again. So it wants to be flat, right? And it wants to be at the right angle, 30 degree, give or take 30 degree, right? It's not exact. And here it is, we're back. All right, so we did that whole side. Perfect. Now what we want to do is start over again. And this time, okay, we'll leave that marked one right there. So this time, we want to do the other ones. So now that means we have to turn it this way. All right, so we're all set. I really like this tool because I'm not an expert at sharpening anything, but this tool makes it really easy. And you can sharpen this chain many, many, many times. You can see how easy that was. Took me no time at all. With that said, this is the Everyday Man saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.